Hello friends, this is Mr. Jason. I'm way up here in this corner. Can you see me over there? We're going to read you guys another book today. This one is a special request from Avery, one of my friends in class. She asked if I could read a Fancy Nancy book. And so I found a Fancy Nancy and the Spectacular Spectacles online. So I'm going to read that for you guys today. You guys can either read along with me or you guys can just sit back and relax and enjoy the story. All right, here we go. Fancy Nancy, Spectacular Spectacles, written by Jane O'Connor and drawn or illustrated by Robin Preece Glasser. Bree can't come over after school today. She is going to an eye doctor. In school, her eyes hurt a lot. It is very distressing. That's like upsetting, only fancier. I hope the eye doctor helps her. That night, Bree sends a note in her basket. I have a surprise, the note says. Ooh, I wonder what it could be. I send back a note. Tell me, it says. Bree sends another note. You will have to wait until tomorrow. Ooh. I am not very good at waiting. She looks like she's trying really hard, though. The next morning, I race over to Bree's house. Out she comes. Bree is wearing glasses. They are for reading. Her eyes won't hurt anymore. Ooh la la, I say. You look spectacular. That's a fancy word for great. Bree's glasses are lavender. That's fancy for light purple. And they glitter. Bree puts her glasses in a silver case. Her glasses and case are both so fancy. At school, Bree tells our class about the eye doctor. Bree had to read a chart with lots of letters on it. The letters went from big to tiny. Glasses are like magic. I can read tiny stuff now, she says. Nothing looks blurry. Your glasses are most becoming, Miss Glass says. That's a fancy word I have never heard before. Miss Glass says it means pretty. I think Bree looks spectacular, I say. Then Miss Glass tells us that spectacles is another word for eyeglasses. Wow, Bree has spectacular spectacles. During math time, Bree wears her glasses. In the library, she wears her glasses. The eye doctor also gave Bree a little silk hanky for cleaning her glasses. It is pink with purple polka dots. I wish I had a hanky like that. I wish I had a silver case. Most of all, I wish I had lavender glasses with glitter. Then I start to wonder, maybe I do need glasses. At dinner, I am pretty sure my food looks blurry. After dinner, I do a puzzle. It has tiny pieces and is very challenging. That's fancy for hard. I try squinting. Yes, I do think everything looks clearer now. Later, my mom comes to my room. I am reading in the dark. That is very bad for your eyes, my mom says. I know, I say. Do you think she's trying to get glasses? Uh-oh, let's find out. Then I tell Mom about Bree. I bet she'll get a fancy necklace like the one Miss Glass wears. That's not fair, I say. I want glasses. My mom does not get mad. She says Bree has glasses because her eyes need them. Your eyes are fine. You are a lucky girl. I know that, but I still want them. Then I get an idea that is spectacular. My mom helps me. My old sunglasses had only one lens, so I popped out the other. My glasses are just pretend, but don't I look fancy? That's the end. I hope you enjoyed and had a good time. This one again is from Miss Avery. If you have a book that you'd like me to read, go ahead and please contact me with your mom or dad's permission, and maybe I could find that book and read it for you guys online too. All right, thanks, and have a great night, friends.